तो बच्चों टुडे नाउ स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट चैप्टर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 3.4. I have already discussed exercise 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. So today now I start next exercise 3.4. First of all, introduction section of exercise 3.4. In the introduction section, there is method elimination methods. In exercise 3.3, we discuss substitution method. But in exercise 3.4, we have to discuss elimination method. What is elimination method? Here is rule of elimination method. Step first. First multiply both the equation by some suitable non-zero constant to make the coefficient of one variable either x or y numerically equal. उसमें क्या करते हैं कि first of all any numerical value that x variable or y variables equal करते हैं multiply with any number. So in a step 2 then add or subtract one equation from the other. उसके बाद add और subtract करते हैं from the other so that one variable get eliminated. उसके बाद क्या हो जाए कि one variable eliminate हो जाए, cancel हो जाए. If you get an equation in one variable, go to a step third. After going to step third, here are two steps. If you obtain a true statement involving no variable, then the original pair of equation has infinitely many solutions. Okay, and here is we obtained a false statement involving no variable, then the original pair of equation has no solutions. That means if solve an equation, linear equation, and we obtained no variable, only constant, as examples 9 equal to 9, this is a true statement, then these are infinitely many solutions. And when after solving we get no variable and false statement, that is 8 equal to 9, these are false statement, so these have no solutions. Okay, now step third, solve the equation in one variable x or y so obtained get its value, and when you obtained value x and y, now substitute the value x or y in either of the equation 1 and 2 to get the value of other variable. Okay, now देखते हैं एग्जांपल देखते हैं इसका एलिमिनेशन मेथड्स. हियर इज एग्जांपल्स. यू वांट टू सॉल्व 3x plus 2y equal to 11 and second equation 2x plus 3y equal to 4. Now solve the equation first and second by elimination methods. Here is equation first and here is equation third. This is a x variable and this is a variable of y. Here is first term 3x, here is first term 2x. These terms are not equal. Here is first term 2y, here is 3y. The terms are not equal. So multiply 3 in the equation 1. In equation 1, multiply 3 and equation 2 and 2 in equation 2. Equation 1 में थर्ड से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं and equation 2 में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. So here 3 into 3 9 हो जाएगा and 3 2 जा 2 2 जा 4, ये भी इक्वल नहीं हुआ. and here 3 2 जा 6 and 2 3 जा 6, ये मेरा y वाला टर्म्स क्या हो जा रहा है, इक्वल हो जा रहा है. सो इसको एलिमिनेट करते हैं एंड सबट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन 4 फ्रॉम थर्ड. इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लिए तो 3 3 जा 9, 3 2 जा 6 इक्वल टू 11 into 3 33 and 2 into 2 4x and 3 into 2 6y and here is 4 into 2 8. This is equation first, this is equation second. And now subtract equation fourth from third, then change the sign. Here is plus sign, then change sign minus. Here is plus sign, then change sign minus. Here is plus sign, then change minus. Here is 6y, here is 6y, here is 6 in plus, here is 6 in minus. So 6 6 क्या हो जाएगा, कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये मेरा टर्म्स कैंसिल हो गया. Now 9x minus 4x equal to 5x, and here 33 minus 8 equal to 25. Now solve x equal to 25 by 5. Then 5 5 is 25. Value of x equal to 5. Now put the value of x in any equation, first or second. Putting the value of x in equation 2. Here is equation 2. 2x plus 3y equal to 4. Here 2 into value of x obtained 5 plus 3y equal to 4. Now solve. 2 into 5 10 plus 3y equal to 4. 3y equal to 4. This comes in this side, so 10 in the form of minus. So 4 minus 10. Now 3y equal to 4 minus 10 equal to 6. Y equal to minus 2. Hence x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 2 is your answer. Now एक्सरसाइज आते हैं अब हम लोग एक्सरसाइज 3.4 फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हियर इज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन बाय द एलिमिनेशन मेथड एंड द सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड्स. These questions we have to solve by two methods. First of all, elimination method, and in a previous exercise we learn substitution method. So solve by two methods, elimination method and substitution method. And in a first question, total 6 question, 1 2 3 4, and here we discuss first of all first question, and one by one all question discuss. So start first questions. Here is x plus y equal to 5 equation first, and 2x minus 3y equal to 4, this is equation second. First of all solve by elimination methods. Here is a rule, equal any first any terms or x variable or y variable. By elimination method, multiplying equation 1 by 2. If equation 1 multiply by 2, then x variable have been equal. If multiply by 2, then x variable क्या हो जाएगा, equal हो जाएगा, because here 2 into x 2x and here is already 2x. If you want to equal to y variable, then multiply here 3, but here multiply equation 1 by 2, then 2 into x 2x, 2 into y 2y equal to 5 into 10, 2 into 5 equal to 10. This is equation third, and here is equation second. Now subtract equation 2 from equation third. Here is equation third, 2x plus 2y equal to 10, and here is equation second, 2x minus 3y equal to minus 4. You subtract from equation third from 2. यदि किसी को भी किसी से आप माइनस कर सकते हैं. Here subtract equation 2 from equation third. If you want to subtract equation third from 2, then same answer. There are no change in answer. So here is 2x plus 2y equal to 10 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now change the sign. Here is minus, then plus, here is plus, then क्या हो जाएगा minus. Now 2x कैंसिल हो जाएगा मेरा. 2x प्लस में है और 2x क्या है माइनस में, 2x कैंसिल. Here is 2y plus 3y equal to 5y and 10 minus 4 equal to 6. Then y equal to 6 by 5. Now put y equal to 6 by 5 in any equation, then obtain value of x. So here we have put in equation first. Equation first is x plus y equal to 5. Now x plus, put on a place of y 6 by 5 equal to 5. Then x equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. Now solve this. LCM of 1 and 5 5 हो जाएगा. 5 into 5 25 minus 6. 25 minus 6 equal to 90 by 5. This is a value of x and this is a value of y. This is your answer. Now substitution methods. Equation first and second solve by substitution methods. If you want to solve any method, then there are no change in answer. If you want to solve elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication, then you get same answer. There are no change in answer. So here is by substitution method. From equation 1, x plus y equal to 5, then x equal to 5 minus y. Putting the value of x in equation 2. Equation 2 में इसको वैल्यू को पुट कर देंगे और सॉल्व करेंगे. After solve करने के बाद here we obtained y equal to 6 by 5. Now put y equal to 6 by 5 in equation third. Here is equation third. ये मेरा इक्वेशन थर्ड हो जाएगा. इक्वेशन थर्ड में पुट कर देंगे एंड देन here we obtained 90 by 5. This is your answer. This is x and this is y. There are no change in answer if you put any methods. I have already discussed this method, substitution method, in previous 3.2 exercise 3.3. So आप लोग इसको देख लें. Next, second questions. 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Now solve by elimination methods. Here is 3x plus 4y and here is 2x minus 4y. Here is if multiply 2 in equation 2, then y variable will be equal. In multiply by 2, then मेरा y variables क्या हो जाएगा? Equal हो जाएगा. Because 2 into 2 4 हो जाएगा and here is 4 equal. By elimination method multiply equation 2 by 2. So here is 2 into 2 4x and 2 into minus 2 minus 4y equal to 2 into 2 4. This is equation third. Now adding equation 1 and third. Now here see that here is symbol plus, here is symbol minus. If opposite symbol then plus, if same symbol then minus. You remember this rule. Here eliminate these terms. Here is opposite side, here is plus and here is minus. So add. If here is same sign, here is plus, here is plus, then subtract. If here is minus and here is minus, then subtract. But in this question here is plus sign and here is minus sign. So add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and third. Equation 1 is 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and equation third is 4x minus 4y equal to 10. Now there are no change in sign when add. Change in sign when subtract. So here is 4y and here is minus 4y. Cancel हो गया. 3x plus 4x equal to 7 equal to 10 plus 4 equal to 14. Then x equal to 14 by 7. 7 to the 40. X equal to 2. Now put the value of x in equation 1. Here is equation 1. 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Now put on a place of x equal to 2. So 3 into 2 plus 4y equal to 10. 3 into 2 6 plus 4y equal to 10. 4y equal to 10 minus 6. 4y equal to 10 minus 6 equal to 4. Then y equal to 1. X equal to 2, y equal to 1 is your answer. Now second method by substitution method. Here is equation second. 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Now common 2, then x minus y equal to 2. Here is equal to 2 हो जाएगा. Mistake हो गया है एक मिनट. Here is x minus y equal to 2 and solve करेंगे तो x minus y 2 से 2 क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 1 बार में जाएगा तो x minus y equal to 1 इक्वेशन थर्ड. बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड x इक्वल टू 1 प्लस y हो जाएगा. ये क्या हो जाएगा? x प्लस, ये माइनस में इस साइड आएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा. नाउ पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x इन इक्वेशन 1. x को इक्वेशन 1 में पुट करेंगे. Here is equation 1. 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Then 3 and on a place of x put 1 plus y plus 4y equal to 10. Now solve this and get y equal to 1. Now put y equal to 1 equation third. Here is equation third. x minus y equal to 1. x minus y का वैल्यू मैंने 1 आया है equal to 1. Now x equal to 1 plus 1, x equal to 2. So this is your answer. Now third questions. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the elimination method and substitution method. Here is third question. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x minus 2y plus 7. Solve this by first of all elimination method and after that substitution method. Now here is 3x minus 5y equal to 4 and इसको कन्वर्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी के फॉर्म में. सो 9x इस साइड आएगा तो -2y कम इन दिस साइड, देन दिस इज फॉर्म ऑफ -2y इक्वल टू 7. दिस इज इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड दिस इज इक्वेशन सेकंड. इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई इन इक्वेशन 1 by 3, in equation 1 multiply by 3, then 3 into 3 6, and here is already 9x. 3 into 3 9x, and here is already 9x. So these terms are equal. Here is plus symbol and here is plus symbol. So क्या करेंगे, सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे. नाउ यहाँ सबट्रैक्ट करते हैं. सबट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन नाउ यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 3 into 3x 3 into 3 9x minus 3 into 5y minus 15y equal to 3 into 4 12. This is equation third. Subtract equation 2 from third. Here is equation 2, 9x minus 15y equal to 12. And here is second equation, 9x minus 2y equal to 7. Now change the sign. Here is subtract. Now change the sign. यहाँ प्लस है तो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस हो जाएगा. नाउ सॉल्व दिस. 9x, here is 9x and here is 9x कैंसिल हो जाएगा क्योंकि आप सबट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ सिंबल क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस का. एंड here is minus 15y and here is plus 2y. तो minus 15 plus 2y equal to minus 13y, and here is 12 minus 7 equal to 5. Then y equal to minus 5 by 13. Now put value of y in equation first. Here is equation first, 3x minus 5y equal to 4. 3x minus 5, and on a place of y put minus 5 by 13 equal to 4. Now solve 3x and minus into minus plus 5 into 5 25 by 30 equal to 4. Now 3x equal to 4, 13 by 13 come in this side, then this is a form of minus 25 by 30. Now LCM of 13 and 1 is 30. Then 13 into 4 52 minus 25. 52 minus 25 equal to 27 by 30, and here you have to find value of x. Then 3 into divide 13 into 3, then cancel. 3 9 ja 27, 9 by 30, 5 by 13 and 9 by 13. This is your answer. Now solve by substitution method. Here is substitution method. 9x equal to 2y plus 7. Then x equal to 2y plus 7 by 9. Putting the value of yx in equation first. Equation first में इसको value को put करेंगे. Now after solving you get y equal to 5 by 13. And if you want to find value of x, then put y equal to 5 by 13 in equation third. Then we obtain value of x. There are no change in value if you solve any methods. Here is question number 4th. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1, and second equation, x minus y by 3 equal to 3. Now this is equation first and this is equation second. Now from equation first LCM लेते हैं इसका. This is convert in the form of x plus by plus c form. Now LCM of 2 and 3 6. Now 3 into x 3x and 2y into 2 4y equal to minus 1. Now cross multiply 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. This is equation third. Now from equation 2 LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. Then solve this. 3 into x 3x minus y equal to 3. Now cross multiplication 3x minus y equal to 9. That is equation third and this is equation 4. Now solve equation third and fourth. Here is 3x and here is 3x. Both term are variable of x terms are same. So there are no required to multiply any number. But here is a symbol plus and here is a symbol plus. So subtract equation third from fourth or equation fourth from third, any. So by elimination method subtract equation 4 from third. Here is equation third, 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6, and here is equation fourth, 3x minus y equal to 9. Now change the sign. Here is a right subtract, then change the sign. Here is minus sign, here is minus है तो यहाँ प्लस हो जाएगा, यहाँ प्लस है तो साइन क्या हो जाएगा माइनस. नाउ 3x माइनस 3x कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड हेयर 4y प्लस y 5y इक्वल टू माइनस 9 माइनस 6 माइनस 9 माइनस 15, y इक्वल टू माइनस 15 बाई 5 कैंसिल करेंगे तो 5 3 जा 15 माइनस 3, y इक्वल टू माइनस 3. नाउ पुट value of y in any equation. This is equation third and this is equation fourth. If you put any equations, so here put in equation 3x minus y equal to 9 in equation 4. This is equation for 3x minus y equal to 9. Then 3x minus and put on a place of y equal to minus 3 equal to 9. Then 3x minus into minus plus 3 equal to 9. Now 3 come in this side, so this is form of minus. 3x equal to 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Then x equal to 6 by 3. 3 to just 6. X equal to 2. This is your answer. Now eliminate substitution method. Here is equation third. 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y equal to 9. By equation third, 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Then x equal to minus 6 minus 4y by 3. Now put the value of x in equation first, equation fourth. Now put the value of x in equation fourth. Here is equation for 3x plus 4y minus 9, 3x minus 4y equal to 9. After putting the value of x, solve and we obtained here y equal to minus 3. Now if you want to put value of x, then put y equal to minus 3 in equation third, then we obtained value of x. So next questions in exercise 3.2, question number 2 will discuss in next video. I have discussed only question number 1, total 6 fourth question 1 2 3 4 in this video. If you have any doubt, then inform me in comment box or WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.